Hi, this is Visit Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to remove password from protected PowerPoint. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. Microsoft PowerPoint allows users to set a password to modify to protect a presentation from being edited or modified by unauthorized user. If the password to modify causes your inconvenience, you may want to remove it. Now, in this video, I will show you how to remove the password. On my previous video, I'll show you how to log it with the password, now how to remove the password. It's very simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open the PowerPoint. Now, you can choose in the file that you want to remove the password. Here you can see it requires password to open this file. You can enter the password first. Now you want to remove it. You can go to File. You can go to Info. And in here, you can just click on Encrypt with Password. You can just delete the password in here. And click on OK. So now you have removed the password from this file. Let's reopen the file. And when we try to reopen this file, we don't need to enter the password again. It's very simple, right? So that is how to remove password from Microsoft PowerPoint file. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.